Okay, this is my home here, and we're going into the aviary. See what we can get. This is a former cage I used to use here. This one's about 8 feet high, 3 feet deep. This is the main aviary. Okay. First on the left here, this is a pair of yellow-naped Amazons. Dixie and Marvin. Hey girl. This is the female here. Here's the male. It's their nesting box. This is a pair of Congo Greys. This is about a 10-year-old male here. And that female, she's about 5 years old. She's 5 years old this year. And they're in very, very good health. All these birds are in very good health. This is a pair of sun Conures. Come with it. These are two males, Congo Greys. Again, these are in very good health. And here I've got a Timneh Gray. This is a male that's about 7 years old. 6, 7 years old. Here I've got a pair of about the same age. They've laid one egg, but it was infertile. This is a pair of Timneh. She's plucked his head. There she is. This is about the meanest bird I've ever seen. And as I said here, there's a pair in here that has given me 5 babies over the past 7 years. Well, past 7 years. And that's a pair of Timneh Greys in there too. So it's 14 birds in all. Pair of Amazons, pair of sun Conures, 2 10 to 12-year-old male Congo Greys, a 12-year-old male Congo, also with a female. 2 pairs of Timneh Greys, actually 3 pairs of Timneh Greys, one of which isn't paired. This male here and this female here.